Now we are discussing about the parts of stomach. Basically, it has four parts. The first one is the cardiac part. This one is the fundus. Uh, Fundus. This one is the body, and the last one is the pyloric part. Pyloric part, cardiac part around the cardiac orifice, known as cardiac part.
Okay.
Now we are talking about fundus. Fundus is upper dome shaped part of stomach situated above the horizontal plane down at the level of the cardiac notch, superiorly reaches up to the fifth intercostal space just below the nipple. Hence, sometimes gastric pains initiate or intimates the pain of angina pectoris. Now the cardiac notch lie between the fundus and the esophagus. This is the cardiac notch. Now we are talking about body. Body, major part of stomach between the fundus and the pyloric antrum. This is the body. Now the final is pyloric antrum or pyloric part. Basically this is funnel shaped outflow region of the stomach. Outflow region of the stomach. It has three parts. First one is pyloric antrum. This one is the pyloric antrum. Second one is the pyloric canal, and the third one is the pylorus. This one is the pylorus. Pyloric part is the funnel shaped. Basically this is funnel shaped outflow region of the stomach, and the pyloric antrum proximal wide part separated from the pyloric canal by an inconstant sulcus. It is about 3 inch and 7.5 centimeter long, led into the pyloric canal. This is the pyloric canal. Pyloric canal distal narrow tubular part measuring 1 inch approximately long and lies on the head and neck of pancreas. And the last one is the pylorus. This one is the pylorus. Distal most part and the sphincteric region of the pyloric canal. Circular muscle fibers are markedly thickened in this region, which controls the discharge of stomach contents through the pyloric orifice into the duodenum. Now microscopic structures. So when stomach is cut open, the interior of the stomach presents the following, or looks like this way. So the first one is here we can see in this the completely open stomach. So these are the gastric folds present there, or the rugae present there. Rugae is basically mucosa of empty stomach, shows numerous folds known as gastric rugae. See, these are the gastric rugaes. Gastric rugaes, basically these are the longitudinal along the lesser curvature and irregular in the remaining parts. Regular in the lesser curvature and irregular in the remaining parts. Rugae are flattened when the stomach is distended. And the second one is gastric pits. These are the gastric pits. Small depression on the mucosal surface in which open gastric glands. And the last one is gastric canal. This is the gastric canal. Gastric canal, a longitudinal furrow formed temporarily during swallowing between the longitudinal fold of mucosa along the lesser curvature. This canal allows a rapid passage of swallowed liquid along the lesser curvature to the lower part before it spreads to the other part of the stomach.